So this is where Shipley makes donuts, and there's a crap ton of refrigerating components around here, and they're pretty noisy. So yeah, this one is noisier than that one. I'm gonna show you a better view on the other side. Yeah, that one's really loud. That one's quiet actually. And then they have these like all over around here. Oh, one just shut off. It was that one right there. And then this one's pretty noisy. I bet these have, pretty sure these have Copeland recips. But sounds like they have like Copelands or Bristols. And then a bunch of wall units over there, also pretty loud. So I think one of them just turned on, and then so I don't know what that place is, but there's a bunch of big fans, and then there's some central air conditioners back here. But I'm gonna show you more refrigerating components. So there is, yeah. They don't seem to be running. Oh wait, maybe some of them are, like the ones over there. Oh yeah. That one appears to have a one. Oh damn. One of them just turned on. I'm not sure if you heard that. Yeah, these have reciprocating compressors. That one turned on, sounded like a Bristol. Oh, this one's noisy. It sounds nice. I think, can't really tell what brand that compressor is. It might be a Copeland. I'm not sure. Oh, there's some Yorks back there in those houses. Yeah, these are nice refrigerating units here. And yeah, there's some more back there. One of those turned on, so that's it for now.